So over here you can see that I got two layers right here. And now what I want to do is I want to go around and turn it into 3D layers. So I'm just going to go around and turn this into 3D right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around over here and select this and turn this into 3D as well. So over here you can see that I have my camera over here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and then move around the camera right here. So let's just go around and move this into 3D space, as you can see right here. And then I'm going to go around over here and move this out over here just like this as well. And maybe I'm going to go around, move this out right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and take this particular layer right here and move it forward. So I'm just going to go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto position, and then move this forward right here just like this, as you can see. So now this is what you have. This particular layer is in the front and that particular layer is in the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto camera and enable depth of field right here just like this. So that is what I have, and I'm going to increase out the aperture right here, and you can see that it blurs out. So what I want to do is I actually want to go around and focus on this particular layer right here. In that case, what I can simply do is I can set that particular layer as the focus layer so that the camera focuses on that particular layer itself. So for that, I'm going to go around over here onto the camera properties, and over here you can see that this is the focus distance layer option that I can go around and choose and simply select out the layer right here. Once you do that, what happens is that this particular layer gets selected. Let me just go around and decrease out the aperture and increase out the aperture, maybe increase out the blur right here. And what happens is that you can see that this layer that you selected right here is in focus and the other is blurred out now. If I were to go around and select out, let's say water, then that becomes the focus layer right here. So instead of manually selecting out the focus point, you can see that I can actually go around and select the layer directly over here as well. Let's just go around over here onto, let's say for example, this water, and then let's press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. And over here for this water, let's just go around and then go to transform right here just like this and change around the position. Let's say for example, so I can go around over here and change around the position right here just like this, and you can see that the let's just go around and press 0 right here, that the focus right here changes out right here. So if I were to go around over here, click and drag this out right here just like this, and this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can see that you can work around with the focus right here. So if I were to go around over here and move this around right here just like this, you can see that the focus stays still on that particular layer right here. So I'm just going to go around and zoom in and zoom out, and you can see that the focus is fixed on that particular layer right here just like this. And that is how you can work around with the focus distance layer to have the focus fixed on a particular layer inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.